Join us on a peaceful morning walk through the breathtaking Clifford E. Nature Sanctuary, a hidden gem just outside Edmonton. The winter transforms this place into a breathtaking wonderland. Today, we are taking you on a magical journey through snow-covered trails and frozen wetlands. As you step onto the boardwalk, you are greeted by frost-kissed trees and a blanket of snow that stretches as far as the eye can see. Even in the heart of winter, life persists. Listen closely, you might hear the cheerful chatter of chickadees. The air is crisp and refreshing, carrying a quiet stillness that makes every moment feel timeless. The crunch of snow underfoot is the only sound accompanying the peaceful solitude of this sanctuary. Winter at the Clifford E. Nature Sanctuary is a reminder of nature's resilience and beauty. Whether you're here for the wildlife, the tranquility, or just a breath of fresh air, it's an experience that stays with you. If you enjoyed this walk through winter's magic, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more outdoor adventures with Mike and Nada.